On April 17th, the Golden Princess dropped anchor on the south-central coast of Vietnam in front of Nha Trang, that lies at the mouth of the Cai River, 256 miles north of Ho Chi Minh City. Nha Trang's known history dates back to the 2nd century AD. With its endless sunshine, bright blue skies, swaying palm trees, and long, lazy beaches, Nha Trang is often called the Miami of Vietnam. With our shore excursion tickets in hand, we boarded the ship's tender that would take us to the Cao Da Port Pier, approximately 7 miles from downtown Nha Trang. During the tender transfer, we enjoyed the views of the Vin Pearl amusement park. The amusement park's most notable attraction is the Vin Pearl cable car. Stretching out over 10,000 feet, it is the world's longest over-water cable car. A gem along Vietnam's long coastline, Nha Trang not only plays host to beach commerce, it is also the gateway to historic landmarks and scenic beauty. Upon disembarkation at the Nha Trang port, we boarded a tour bus that would take us to visit the top points of interest in the city. Following are pictures and video clips captured from the vantage point of the tour bus window. Located on a hill overlooking the city, Nha Trang Cathedral is one of the first and oldest buildings in the city to be built primarily of steel reinforced concrete. Constructed between 1928 and 1933, the French Gothic structure features an elegant square clock tower. Long Son Pagoda is Nha Trang's oldest Buddhist pagoda. Dating back to the 19th century, the pagoda boasts a 79-foot tall seated Buddha statue and spectacular views of the city. The entrance and roof are decorated with mosaic dragons. The inner sanctuary is adorned with murals and images of the Buddha. The Dai Hong Chung bell weighs 1,500 kilos. It takes 193 steps to reach to the top of the hill where the white Buddha statue stands. Panoramic views of Nha Trang. Refreshments and folkloric show. Silk Embroidery Workshop. Let's enjoy some of the fine silk hand-embroidered pictures on display in this fantastic gallery. The needlework is exquisite, and whether or not you purchase an item, you will come away with a better understanding of the meticulous craftsmanship behind the beautiful pieces. About the Ponagar Camp Towers. Formerly the center of the ancient Kampa kingdom, beginning in the 2nd century AD, Nha Trang flourished over 1,000 years until the Kampa's demise at the hands of the Vietnamese in the north and the Khmers in the south. North of the city you can see evidence of the kingdom's glory displayed in the wonderfully preserved Ponagar Camp Towers. Overlooking the Kai River, the towers are actually a complex of 4 intricately carved towers set amidst lush tropical gardens. Each tower was built in honor of a distinct Hindu deity. The gardens of the Ponagar camp towers offered wonderful views of the Kai River. Then our city tour continued, and the next stop was at the Hawkon Beach and Rock Garden. The Dam Market, with 3 floors full of stands and boutique shops to explore, is a bit of an overwhelming experience. Panoramic view captured as we waited for the tender to bring us back to the Golden Princess.